Last problem of the week. By now you've probably realized all week long you've been working on making 10. So the last problem, I want you to think about all the strategies you've used this week and really shine in your video. Let's go ahead and read. Daisy has 10 sunflowers. 2 have bloomed. How many more still need to bloom? Your math drawings need to be neat and organized, always in your 5 group drawings. Writing number sentence. Write the answer. How many more still need to bloom? And of course in your video, talk us through how you solved the problem. Do not just give the answer. We see your answer on the paper.